Hello and welcome back, guys. Today I'll be showing you how to plot a pie chart in Python. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, pie charts are an important tool in data visualization and they show how certain categories are spread in terms of percentages and pieces of the pie. So yeah, I'll be showing you how to plot a pie chart in Python today using Jupyter Notebook, and check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm now going to create my two lists that are our data. So the data that I'm going to be using today is just the cars that are on a street, for example, and the percentage of the cars. So the different cars and the categories we have is Audi, let's see, BMW. These are obviously words, so you have to put them in inverted commas to represent that as a string. And now for our data, so that's just the percentages of these cars that you see. So now all you have to do is say plt.pie, which creates the pie chart, and what you're plotting is your data, obviously, and your labels are going to be the cars that I have. So it's basically your categories that you need to label as. So if I run this, that is what I get. Sorry, if you just say plt.show and run that, it will remove the little data that came before. So yeah, that is basically it. Now, if you want to customize it to different colors, the colors that you like, you can just make another list with your colors, put these in inverted commas. Let's see, blue, red, magenta. These would have to be colors in Matplotlib. So you have to check that out and see what that would be. And for our last one, let that be cyan. So now if you say colors equals to colors and run this, great. So as you can see, we have the colors that we want corresponding on our pie chart. And then you can obviously label your pie chart with plt.title. And that just gives your pie chart a, it should be inverted commas, but yeah, that just gives your pie chart a title. So there you have it, guys. If you wanted to know how to plot a pie chart in Python, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then be sure to leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.